Hi everyone, my name is Vivek and welcome to my channel. If you want to see the upcoming tutorials, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. This is the 15th episode about SharePoint Modern Site. In this episode, we'll add a custom SharePoint theme. To add a theme, click on Cog menu, change the look, theme, and choose any theme from here. Let's choose red for now. Click on save. If you look at the site now, red theme should be applied. Let's have a look at see all link, news, and section background for example. This is a hub site. We associated other site to this hub site. So if you click on any other pages or site, same red background should be applied once you hit the hard refresh. Let's do the hard refresh. And we can see the red theme has been applied over here. Likewise, check other pages and sites. Great. To add a custom theme, we need three things: primary, text, and background color. This is Microsoft Fluent UI Theme Designer. If you want to open this, I will provide this link in the description below. For now, let's change the primary color. On the right hand side, you should see the preview of how it should look. You can also change background and text color if you want. But for now, I will just use black text and a white background. I'm happy with this design. So click on Export Theme. We will run the PowerShell script. So click on PowerShell. Now we have to copy all of these. But before doing that, open the link of my GitHub account. I will provide this in the description below. Copy all of the script. Open the text editor. Choose PowerShell and paste the script. Now copy the script from here up to here. And then you can replace it over here. Now we need to change the tenant. So copy your tenant from the link. Paste it over here. Then at the bottom, you can give your theme a name. I will just say custom theme. Once done, copy everything. Open PowerShell. Right click and run as administrator. Paste the script and hit enter. It will ask for username and password. So let's go back to the site and copy my username. And the password. Approve this MFA. Now if you go back to your site, click on Cog menu, change the look and theme, you should see custom theme has been added over here. Select them and you can see the custom theme has been applied. Let's check other sites or pages. Do hard refresh. and it has been applied over here as well. Great. Sometimes we might need to remove the custom theme that we have created. To do that, copy this line of script and paste them in the PowerShell, but instead of add, you have to replace them with remove. Hit enter. Now go back to your site. Let's do 100 refresh. Now let's check the theme. So click on cog menu, change look, theme, and our custom theme has been removed. So let's just choose red theme again. This is the end of this session. In the next session, we'll use and add Microsoft Form. Feel free to comment below if you have any questions. Also, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel to get more videos in the future. Thank you and see you soon.